A question I'm asked by many consumers and prospective clients and some existing clients is, does it matter if I commence treatment within 14 days of my automobile accident? Based on the recent changes to the Florida PIP statute as it was amended and put into effect on January 1st, 2013, an auto accident victim rather, must commence treatment with a medical provider within 14 days of their auto accident, otherwise PIP benefits are not applicable. When I say PIP benefits, I mean personal injury protection, which covers you in the event of an accident, regardless of fault. Now, on many commercials, especially done by lawyer referral services, and in one particular commercial recently aired on several local radio stations by 411 Pain, the non-attorney spokesperson actually states, if you do not commence treatment in 14 days, and now I use this quote verbatim, it just doesn't matter. That couldn't be further from the truth. It's a half-truth. It's misleading. Does it matter? Sure. In a perfect world, in an ideal setting, my clients can commence treatment right off the bat. Ideally, my client will go to the emergency room from the scene, or they'll be seen at an urgent care facility or by a physician the same day as the accident. Is it necessary? Is it the end-all be-all of the case if they don't? No. Many individuals, many salt-of-the-earth types, will wait. It's not a knee-jerk reaction. They'll wait a week or two, sometimes a few weeks, to see if the pain and soreness subsides. Maybe they don't have time to take off from work. Maybe they can't take off from work due to financial reasons. So they'll try to forestall treatment and see if it goes away. And when it doesn't go away, they go to the emergency room, or they go to a physician. Should they be penalized for not taking the knee-jerk reaction and treating right away with a physician? Absolutely not. We can't control the statute, but while PIP benefits may not be applicable, you still have a case. So when a non-attorney spokesperson, an individual is not licensed by the Florida Bar, it's just a spokesperson is hired for the purpose of a commercial, is stating that it just doesn't matter, that's not true. I've had many fruitful recoveries on personal injury cases in pre-litigation and litigation for injury victims that did not treat for 3, 4 weeks, sometimes 6 weeks after an auto accident. Does it make the case more problematic? Yes. Does it ruin the case? Absolutely not. That's why it's important when you take legal advice, it must come from an attorney. It must come from a lawyer that's licensed by the Florida Bar if you're in the state of Florida. Now, am I saying that 411 Pain is issuing legal advice by making that statement? Not necessarily. But if a consumer relies on that and thinks that they don't have a case, or it just doesn't matter because they didn't treat within 14 days, well, it's misleading. They definitely have a case if they were not at fault and they were injured in the automobile accident. The question is their insurance, pre-existing injuries, and a number of other criteria that will go into effect and will be taken into effect by the insurance carrier to determine the value of the case. Call a licensed Florida injury attorney. Call us at the Dolman Law Group, 727-451-6900, or visit me on my web at www.dolmanlaw.com, dolmanlaw.com. Experience a Dolman difference. Thank you.